If the equation y is equal to 2 to the power of x, 2 to the exponent of x is graphed, which of the following values will produce a point closest to the x-axis? So we're looking for a point that's closest to the x-axis, and they give us the following equation. First thing they need to decide, is this an exponential growth or decay? So I'm going to make my x and y axis, my x-axis, and my y-axis. So is this an exponential growth or decay? As you multiply 2 to the first power is 2, 2 to the second is 4, 2 to the third is 8, and 16, and so on. So therefore, whenever the value is bigger than 1, it's going to be an exponential growth. It's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger every single time. So therefore, if you plug in a 0, it'll give you this point, which will be 2. You plug in a 1, which gives you this point, which should be a 4. You plug in a 2, gives you this point, which will be 4. Plug in a 3, gives you this point, that'll be an 8, and so on. If you go to the left, plug in a -1, gives you this point. Plug in a -2, gives you this point. Plug in -3, gives you this point right here. So which of those points are closest to the x-axis? Which is again closer to the highlighted line, the x-axis? It will be the smallest number or the biggest number. So in this case, it will be the smallest number. The smallest value of x will give you a point closer to the x-axis. So you need to decide, which of those are the smallest, which is the smallest number. In this case, 1/8 will be the smallest number.